Hi guys, another short video I want to make today. It's about quite a different topic because ISP, Internet Service Provider. I guess in America it's not this big of a topic, but here in Europe and in Germany, Internet isn't this, it's quite a thing which can be improved, of course. And we, in my old flat, we did use a router, a wireless router, where we did have to put in a SIM card. And there we had a mobile data flat. Wasn't this expensive. It's in the same realm, a little bit more expensive as when you have cable. And on the old address, it worked quite okay, but in the new address, it was the experience. The last months were quite. We were not this happy, so to say. And yeah, researching what we could do, buying a new router. I bought new batteries for the router because the battery was getting more big, and it's always a sign, hey, get rid of the battery and get a new one. And I don't know if I saw an ad or something like that, but I had in mind what Elon Musk did with Starlink. And I looked it up, and it's really, I was really surprised. It's really affordable. And yeah, here in Germany, we did order the package. We were on the website, talked with the hotline because I had some question beforehand. And the hotline, first you're talking to an AI, and the AI it's it's quite advanced. It has a German accent. No, it speaks German, but with an American accent. For an AI, it was quite funny. And yeah, it answered most of my questions, and I talked with a real human for the details for the papers. And the shipment was really fast. I guess 1 week later we had our hardware, the dish, the Starlink Mini. It's the dish with the router all in one device. And it's small. It looks quite good. It's not an ugly round satellite dish. And yeah, the setup wasn't this difficult. I am coming from the IT side. I did learn my first IT experience I made in the networking part of things. And so setting up the device wasn't this of a hassle. One thing I was questioning, because you are setting up the device only with your smartphone. We used, of course, iPhone. Downloaded the app, and when you are getting the hardware, you just have to plug it in into a power socket, of course, and the device then is starting. You are using the app. You are starting the setup, you are creating an access point as well with a lot other device when you are doing something like that. And then it's as its idea is Starlink, it's an open network for this short of time. You are doing the setup, the alignment of the dishes, of the satellites, and the setup is quite intuitive. And after this part, you are very fast creating your own hotspot. It's by default, it's secured. You have to assign an SSID, so the name for the Wi-Fi, and you have to create a password, and after this step you are protected, of course. And yeah, setup was quite easy. When you have all set up, you're downloading the newest update, and after a few minutes you can go, you are doing all via the app, and then you can change the SSID name, the password of your Wi-Fi. You can change a lot of things. Speed test is integrated. When you're in the browser, 129, 168.1.1, of course, it's a router address. There you can look up the status if you are connected to Starlink. And when you are using 129, 168, 100.1, this is the address where you can configure your router, and you can, it's a thing which Elon did create, because you have a really cool, I guess it's a JSON file, where you can see your SSID. I guess it's for troubleshooting, important, I can imagine. And you have everything, you can look up everything quite fast as well. And menu system is quite intuitive, and I like it quite a lot. And the thing is, it's a good thing when your apartment or your house, the best scenario, of course, if you can put the dish on the top of your roof, or you have an open spot where you have free sight to the sky. But as you should look, you should face north. It's best for the satellite network. But our new apartment, we are facing south, and on the north side we are not allowed to put the dish outside the house, because when you rent here in Germany, you rent the flat, you can't do stuff as with your house. You have to ask the company which you are renting from, hey, is it allowed to do stuff like that? I created a question. Maybe they will allow it, maybe not. I guess not, because we want to put it. It's a kitchen window outside, but when I look up at the house, there's nothing like special flower cages or something like that. And yeah, I don't think they will allow it. But on the south side we have the balcony, and the balcony, the thing is, at the top there is the roof, and it's blocking not this much of the sky, but we can a little bit face south through trees. We are lucky at our spot. There's an open space. There is no tree, so we can face a little bit of the clear sky. But it's not perfect for this setup. Of course, speed test, we have a 25 Mbit download. I guess, what was it? 10 Mbit upload. And it's not the fastest. It's for home office, where you have to do video conference stuff. It would be quite sufficient, but for professional use, it wouldn't be. You want to have a 100 Mbit download and uplink 25. So it depends on the scenario what you want to do. But for us at home, home office, especially if we what we had before, the old provider, which I already told it was quite disaster. Especially on the holidays, Sundays, internet wasn't working, and in 2026, hello, um, you need you need internet, or you can't work. At least you have to be able to check your emails. But if you can do this, Elon Musk, of course, he created for the world the network, the satellite network, and we are quite happy that we can use it. And yeah, I never thought about it, because in Germany, hey, why we should, we don't have to use Elon's network. It's more for, I always had in mind Elon network was more for the adventure type. When you want to go, when you are on when you're hiking and you want to do a video stream, or want to set up camp on the go, then Starlink is of course the first choice. But the thing is, the pricing is really good. And yeah, we decided to use it for our internet at home. And first day, I just uploaded a lot of YouTube videos. Beforehand, I had to upload one video per night. And now I just could upload 15 videos at once at YouTube, on YouTube. And yeah, next morning, I guess it was finished at midnight, I guess, at the speed. And yeah, we are really happy about it. Just yeah. And yeah, guys, see you on the next video. Bye bye.